Okay, so here's a 1996 Lennox Eite that I just got starting up. We have a Lennox Heaven here in West Virginia. Yeah, it's a nice quiet Lennox. And that's a scroll compressor. Yeah, very nice unit. It's from 1996. It's a straight cool. And then here's this small Lennox Eite. The compressor is in there. There's data. And then this one right here, which is a vintage unit. And this bigger one, I'll get the data off of these. Yeah, 1.5 ton apparently. Yeah, very cool units. And then this one right here, which was just running, I think. Yep, mine is cold, or I mean it's sweaty. And then this one right here. And I'll get to, we have a Lennox Eite that's running over here. Scroll compressor, you can tell by the sound. Yeah, these are really nice and quiet units. 1994, and then the smaller one. And then 2 vintage units. There are vintage units up here like that are running, so I'll film those instead. We have another one of these that's running. Oh, and here you have a Rheem Classic. This one, the panel is off. Yeah, that's a hacked up unit. Yeah, there's the look at the compressor running right up close. Not sure what happened. And then a Lennox value. And then here's the vintage Lennox. This one sounds sweet. Yeah, that's got a very nice sound to it. Then we have this one right here that's running. That's got a loud fan. I kind of like the sounds of the fan. And then this one right here that's also running. So yeah, that's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Over and out.